An important thing that always gets overlooked with combination ovens are the trays that we're cooking on. You will see me pull out all different trays, have all different items on different trays. There is a method to the madness. Okay? Each tray has a purpose. So the nice little grill, for example, you have a function, you're doing 40, 50 steaks all at once. You want them cooked the same. You can core probe it, load your rack, fill up your oven. You got a whole lot, all grilled, all set, same, exactly the same for your function. Could be chicken breast, could be fish, it could be swordfish, could be whatever you like. 7 tray oven, you can put 7 racks in there. 10 tray, you can put 10 in there, etc., etc. You get one of the Convotherms with a built-in smoker, well, you can smoke your chicken before you actually grill it. So you get a lot more options. These things, for example, everyone's heard the term air fryer. It's the trendy gimmick. It's just a convection oven, okay? Air frying is just convection ovens with airflow around your product. So using that gets you maximum airflow. But then that also becomes fantastic for dehydrating. Then that becomes fantastic for steaming. So a nice little multi-purpose basket. So convection's good, it has its purpose for certain things. You might want to dehydrate and make some biltong, for example. You might want to do some baking. Okay, convection is very much like a baker's oven. You know, you might want to do some air fried chips and things like that. Combi mode, about 80% of your cooking should be done in combi mode. 4 times faster, penetrates your product, and keeps the integrity of your cooking. So things like your roasted meats, things like your roasted vegetables, one, you'll get there quicker. You'll still get your beautiful colour, but you won't dry it out. The airflow that's going to give you colour of your product. A flat tray, it's going to get airflow all around your product, okay? So if you're trying to get different colours on things, that's the way you go. When it comes to colouring the bottom, stainless steel is not going to do it. Stainless steel is not designed to colour the bottom of your product. It will stew the bottom of your product. That's its design. Aluminiums, rock enamels, they're designed to colour the bottom of your product. Whether it be crumbs, whether it be a bread item, whether it be a chicken wing that you want to get a bit of caramelisation, or a burger or something like that. If you do it on the proper tray, doesn't necessarily be that one. If you do it on the proper tray, you'll get a much better product at the end. The awards this company has won for their green of the factory in Ingelfin in Germany. So that is what they're about. So when it comes to their equipment, it goes exactly the same way. End of shift, what do? Do we spend hours and hours and hours scrubbing that combi oven? Hell no. You might have spilled some gravy in there. You can give it a quick water rinse if you want to. You can give it a nice eco wash. You might have forgotten to wash it for a week, or you went on holidays and it's a bit grotty. You can give it a heavy wash. It's entirely up to you. It's exactly the same with this one. You choose the wash you want. Hi guys, if you haven't been able to make it today's event, don't fret, you're not going to miss out. You can see any of these Moffat products in any demonstration anywhere around the country. Simply contact your local Moffat rep and they can tee you up with a demo in their showroom anywhere in Australia.